Hey everyone, let's learn about shapes. This is a circle. Here are some examples of circle. This is a rectangle. Here are some examples of rectangle. This is a triangle. Here are some examples of triangle. This is a square. Here are some examples of square. This is an oval. Here are some examples of oval. This is a hexagon. Here are some examples of hexagon. This is a pentagon. Here are some examples of pentagon. This is an octagon. Here are some examples of octagon. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.